Hi, I'm Ava and I study food science and nutrition at the University of Leeds, and I'm an intern in the applied sciences. The last 2 weeks I've been working on a project with Kiara and creating a more innovative biosensor for detecting wastewater. Working here has been a pleasure because it's such a friendly and supportive environment in which I'm inspired by creative people and working in amazing facilities, so I'm really excited to get to work in the labs. I also got to take part in brainstorming sessions for other projects, so it's been really good to see how these brilliant minds come together, where people with diverse educational backgrounds assemble their ideas into truly impactful outcomes. A challenge I faced was working on a project that I'm less familiar with, but it feels so rewarding to expand my understanding on it. I also got to see how PA consulting is very dynamic and puts genuine effort into sustainability, and I'm so excited to be contributing and also to learn new skills.